Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create transparent shape in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva mobile application. And first thing first, I'm going to add shape to my design. We're going to go to the element section and I'm going to search for shape. Okay. And then you can choose the type of the shapes you want to add to your design. And I'm just going to select the star shape. Okay, and now the shape has been added to my design and I'm going to make it transparent. I'm going to add outline to my shape. We can go to the style and then select the outline. And I'm going to increase the border weight. Okay, and if you want to change the outline color, you can go to the border color and then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and to make it transparent, I'm just going to select no color. We can choose this one, and as you can see that the shape has become transparent shape. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create transparent shape in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.